MicroCare Medical delivers precision cleaning, coating, and lubrication solutions to protect medical devices throughout their entire life cycle. Medical device performance and compliance depend on how devices are cleaned, coated, and lubricated, from design and manufacturing to clinical use and reprocessing. MicroCare Medical provides full lifecycle device care solutions that ensure devices are critically clean, properly coated, precisely lubricated, and fully compliant at every stage. Modern medical device manufacturing is more complex than ever, and regulatory expectations continue to rise. Variability in cleaning, coating, and reprocessing directly impacts performance, validation, and patient safety. Precision is no longer optional, and compliance is non-negotiable. MicroCare Medical supports medical devices through every phase of their life cycle, from design and development, to manufacturing and assembly, to clinical use, to reprocessing and reuse. At each stage, we deliver engineered chemistries that enable cleaner builds, smoother assembly, repeatable processes, and safe, effective instrument reprocessing. MicroCare high-purity fluids remove contaminants with precision, reducing variability and accelerating both production and validation. Lubricants and protective coatings safeguard sensitive materials, improve your device performance, and extend reliability across the full life cycle. Swelling fluids improve fit and seal quality, reduce leaks and assembly force, and deliver precise assembly performance. Reprocessing fluids deliver repeatable cleaning and lubrication across manual, ultrasonic, and automated processes. This helps you ensure effective soil removal, instrument protection, sterilization readiness, and consistent compliance in clinical reprocessing environments. Compliance support and documentation simplify process validation, align with global regulatory requirements, and ensure repeatability at every step. Our solutions are backed by more than 40 years of chemistry expertise and are formulated for validated, measurable, and repeatable workflows. When devices are cleaner, safer, and faster to process, outcomes improve for manufacturers, clinicians, and patients. MicroCare Medical offers purpose-built manufacturing fluids, including Turgo XCF3 Precision Cleaning Fluid, DuraGlide Dry Lubricant, Swellex Tubing Assembly Fluid, and Universal Carrier Fluid. Each fluid is engineered to support critical cleanliness, high-precision assembly, reduced friction, and reliable downstream performance. Our spec-clean instrument care chemistries include pre-treatment solutions, manual and ultrasonic cleaning, washer disinfector detergents, instrument lubricants, and sterilization prep tools. We provide you complete support for safe and repeatable clinical reprocessing. MicroCare Medical partners with OEMs, manufacturers, and clinical teams to solve demanding device care challenges through custom chemistries, lab-tested solutions, processes tailored to unique device requirements, options not off the shelf, engineered to fit. MicroCare Medical delivers one unified platform, one trusted chemistry partner, and complete life cycle protection for medical devices. When performance matters and compliance is critical, choose MicroCare Medical, where cleaning, coating, and compliance come together with care. Learn more at microcaremedical.com.